Hi, my students. Today, we'll be looking at some application questions of special identity whereby some of your classmates are facing some issues. That's why I'm going through in this video. So that after this video, you can use it to do review 6, which is on page 77 to 79 of your workbook. And when I was looking through your answers, right, most of you use the longer way method. Means, right, you use the rainbow method. For example, for this one, you wrote me this instead and you explain it using a rainbow method. But for this part over here, I need you to use the special identity because this one is like a shortcut and it makes you easier to like explain out. So you use all this special identity for all these questions over here. So for question 4, we are looking at 101 square. And this question, right, has a keyword without using a calculator. It means, right, we need to show working. So 101 square, right, I need to use one of these special identity here. So I can consider using, right, 100 plus 1 because I know that 100 is easier to like multiply and 1 is easier to multiply also. So I let my A be 100 and my B be 1. So normally my AB, right, will be like the first one. A will be the first number, B will be the second number. So using this special identity over here, A plus B bracket square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So my 100, right, will be my A, which fits into the first bracket, plus 2 times AB, 2 times 100 times 1, plus B square, which is my 1 square. So after that, I find out what is 100 times 100, which is 10,000, plus 200 plus 1. Finally, I add all these three numbers up together, I'll get 10,201. This will be my answer. So for 98 square, right, it's a bit complicating to like use 90 because 90 is not so like easy to count. So I will choose 100 instead. So 100 minus 2 will give me 98. So I let my A be 100 and my B be 2. So 100 square. So A minus B bracket square, right, will be equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So the only difference between 1 and 2, right, is just that the middle term, one is a plus, one is a minus. So how do we know which one is plus, which one is minus? We follow the middle term in the expansion. This one is plus, this one is plus. This one is minus, this one is minus. Yep. So A square minus 2AB plus B square. So my A will be 100, B will be 2. So 100 bracket square minus 2 times 100 times 2 plus 2 square, which is 10,000 minus 400 plus 4, which give me 9,602. So for part C, we have 62 times 58. So what do? We choose the closest number to multiply. So normally I will choose like the nearest 10, depending on the questions. So I can change my 62, right, to 60 plus 2 and let my A be 60 and my B be 2. And 58, right, can let 60 minus 2. A will be 60, B will be 2. So the A and B on both sides of this expression, right, must be the same A and B also. So we look at the third identity. A plus B bracket square minus, no, not minus, A plus B bracket times A minus B, which give me the A square minus B square. This one will be the difference of 2 square because we are taking the difference between two square numbers. So it's called difference of 2 square. So using this special identity over here, it will be A square, which is 60 square, minus B square, which is 2 square. So 60 square is 3,600 minus 4, which give me 3,596. Okay, so if you don't believe me, you can punch in the calculator, you'll get the same answer. So for the part for question 5, right, most of you can do it because I can go through a very similar example, so I won't be going through it. So after you look at this special application of using special identity and knowing that once you see this type of like expansion question, right, you must tell yourself that you are in luck. You can expand it very fast and don't have to do the rainbow method. But this special identity, right, is just a shortcut. Yep. So let me reward you with a pun. Okay, so today I will be using a science one. Okay, so why does the genes of shyness, right, take so long to find? Okay, it's because the scientists, right, have just found the genes of shyness, and they would have found it earlier, but it was hiding behind two other genes. Hehe. Okay, I hope you get this joke. So if you don't get this joke, you can ask your friend. No problem. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can just drop me a text. Thank you.